When God take away something from your hand, then don't think He's punishing you. He's just leaving your empty hand to receive something better. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. First of all, I'm really very thankful to all of my viewers because my channel grows 5 million views with 64.5k subscribers. I'm really very thankful to you with my folding hands. So guys, keep watching my videos, keep watching my channel. I really appreciate you and I really appreciate your trust. Now I'm going to talk about weekly prediction week from 27th of July to 2nd of August. You know very well my own predictions are based on your ascendant sign. So let's start for the Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, this whole week bring a lot of happiness to you. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Money will knock you. You will get unexpected money from your business. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will achieve your old targets and goals. Aries, this whole week will be a game changer for you. You will, whatever you not expected about your performance at workplace, you will enjoy that type of positive performance. This whole week bring a lot of new opportunities which will be act like a game changer for you. So you should apply all this new opportunity in your life. That will be a very good and rewarding for you. Family will support you, your mother will support you, but you need to take care of your mother health because the first part of the August is not very promising for your mother health. Especially this week till 2nd of August, this is not a very productive time for your mother health. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants, this whole week you will enjoy lot of appreciation from your workplace, from your job or from your business. Your seniors will satisfy. You will get promoted or your salary will rise, or if you want to if any type of promotion is pending in your birth as per your job, you will get promoted this week. That is for sure. You will knock lot of happiness will knock you, and your surrounding is very positive. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Your siblings will help you, your friends will help you, and your positive approach, your positive behavior will biggest game changer of this week. Think always positive and do your best. Taurus, this week brings lot of happiness, success, name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. Your family will support you, but relationship with your mother and your sisters or siblings will not very positive, but friends will highly supporting and highly beneficial for you. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. This whole week, Gemini, there's a mixed type of fruits you will see. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will be struggling days for you. Don't invest your money. Don't trust on anyone. Don't sign any document or don't issue any check. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, time will change when you can enter in a new venture or some new opportunity will knock you. Thursday and Friday will be a very good for you, Gemini. But overall, Saturn is transit in your 8th house from your ascendants. Not a very good position of Saturn. So you need to be careful while trusting on anyone, because you will get cheated, or someone cheat you, or someone borrowing money from you and not paying you back on time. So don't give your money to anyone. Now I am going to talk about Cancer. Cancer, this whole week will good for you because you will enjoy a very good time with your family and friends. You will enjoy a lot of good health. You will enjoy, you can say, new friends will knock you or new persons will enter in your life, and you will enjoy a lot of happy moments with your family and friends. Source of earning will be rise, your finances will be updated, and you will enjoy all type of comforts which you never expected. This whole week bring a lot of happiness and positivity for you. You need to concentrate on your work. You need to concentrate on your business. Your seniors will support you, and they are very happy. They are very satisfied from your performance. So now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. Leo Ascendants, some new deal will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of cash. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your account is full of money. Even this is a time when your all pending work will click. This whole week brings lot of happiness and good news for you. Unexpected gains also seen in your chart. Family support is also seen in your chart. Your parents are supporting you. Your siblings are supporting you. You will enjoy a lot of health, good health, and your friends. You will make a new friends, and that will be a very good and very helpful to you. And they will give you the lot of good advice for your profession, which will be a game changer for you. There's a strong chances you may invest your money in stock market or real estate. which will be a very good for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. This whole week will be a mix for you. Your hard work will pay off you, but after great struggle. You need to be careful while talking with your siblings and friends, because this is not a very time. This is not a very positive time, because some type of arguments will irritate you with your siblings or near dear. You need to take care of your father health. You need to take care while talking with any of your seniors at your workplace. You will get gains, there's no doubt, after struggle, after hard work, but this is time when God check your patience. Be patient, keep calm and be polite. This is your theory, Virgo Ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants this whole week bring a lot of happiness for you. You will get money from far away place. A new person will enter in your life, and he will act like a game changer person in your life, in the terms of your profession, in the terms of your business and job. Some new persons will enter in your life as your business partner or as a life partner. Those people who are unmarried will involve in a relationship, and that will be a very productive. This is a very productive week if you are choose someone as a life partner. So this is very productive week. Libra Ascendants, if you want to invest your money, then you may invest. Tuesday and Wednesday will be a very good days for you. You will get a lot of benefits from your old investments. Your health will be good. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, this whole week you will be sky high. A lot of new opportunity knock you. Unexpected money knock you. New friends will make your life more easy and better. Long distance journey you may plan, and some type of partnership from far place is also seen in transit. Your family and your spouse will support you, and you will enter in a new horizon of your life. Your vision will be clear about your life. Your goals will be clear, and you have the ability to reach your all goals, reach your all milestones. Be positive and do your best. You will surely blessed from Lord Shiva, and this week will be a game changer for you. You will be top, you will be sky high. You need to just be positive and live your life with a strong willpower, because you are a man with great knowledge, great intuitions power, but you need to focus on yourself. Start some meditation, start some yoga. That will be act as a game changer of your life. Now I am going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius, this whole week you will get new orders. This week will be a totally game changer week for your professional life. Money will came through as a commission, or you may get unexpected gains in your business. If you are involved in any type of import-export business, then this week will be very productive for you. You will sign new deals, you will sign new contract. Unexpected gains or unexpected deal will knock you. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are sky high. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Your family will support you. Your father and your mother will support you. But you need to be careful. Relationship with your in-laws, that will be a dicey. And don't arguments with your in-laws, especially your father-in-law. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to be careful about relationship with your spouse. Always try to smile on your face during any bad situation. If you are arguments with your spouse, try to keep your mouth mum and do your best, because this is your testing time relationship. This is your testing time, especially for your personal relationship. There is no doubt you are best in your professional life. There is no doubt your seniors will be happy from your performance. There is no doubt if you're a businessman, you will get a lot of profits, a lot of good gains, and your plannings will be executed in a right way. But relationship with your spouse or life partner will be under shadow. So please be positive, keep calm and be humble with your life partner, because relationships are very precious, especially husband-wife relationship is very precious. You know, time teaches you many lessons in life. Things once gone never come back. You keep this line in your mind and think once ki whatever you have, that is the best in your life as a life partner. So now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, Tuesday and Wednesday will be a highly beneficial days for you. When you get promoted, unexpected money knock you, some new friends will enter in your life, a new business partnership will knock you, and you may invest your money with someone, and if you are already investing your money in stock market, you will get good gains. Lot of new things will enter in your life, but you need to be careful about your health. Overall, finance, business, profession, personal life, you will be sky high. You need to worship goddess Kali every Saturday. That will be a very good for your health and your reputation. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces. This is our last zodiac sign, last ascendants. So Pisces, this whole week bring a lot of happiness, gains through siblings, gains through friends, gains through far away associations. Some new business associations will enter into your life and you will enjoy a lot of new deals related to your business. Money makes money. This is the theory for Pisces. And this time when you all are sky high, finances will be top, your siblings will help you, your friends will help you, your family will support you, your spouse will support you. Pisces, this is a time when you will be sky high. If you plan something good for your future, then this is the right time to execute your plan. Some unexpected money will knock you, some unexpected gains will knock you, some unexpected positive relationship will enter in your life. Don't ignore them. And Pisces, before end of my video, I just advise you one thing. Time is a healer and time is a killer. This is a time, if you apply your all planning in your professional or personal life, believe me, you will be sky high in coming months or coming weeks. Keep watching my channel and I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.